Good morning from Grand Family Farm, and Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day, and it's starting to snow here. The family's inside unwrapping gifts. Take a break to come out here, let the dogs run, let them do their business. So it's been snowing on and off this morning. Nothing to write home to Mom about because it hasn't stuck yet. It's kind of melting off. But everybody's hoping for a white Christmas. Well, we got the Christmas ham and they're smoking. See what it looks like. Ooh, it's smoky. There it is. Tried to bring the tractor up the other day, but I couldn't get the mud off the tires. So I gotta work on that a little bit more. But the ground is getting wet again, so it's not froze hard enough to be able to drive around without tracking mud everywhere. Here are some babies. See if they go for it. Good. That's what you guys are supposed to be eating. You always want just grain. Yeah, he doesn't want the hay. He eats it though. He wants the good stuff. Well, he's eating it. He must be hungry. He thinks his diet should be just grain and apples. Alright, they got their feed and got some apples. And the dog is barking at her owner. His Odo had his drone stuck in the tree he got for Christmas. He's got it flying again. She doesn't know what to think of it. Does he shoot for another tree to get stuck in? Right. I'm gonna crash it right into the pig pen. You just had an apple. You're not getting another one. I'm out. Sorry, Harold. You spoiled. Well, the chickens are happy, but they only gave me 4 eggs. Huh. I threw some grass hay in there for the chickens. They like to peck on it. The ducks fighting over it, chasing the chickens off, trying to claim it. Kind of funny. Little pigs enjoying the grain. Sally's gonna try to catch that drone. No, don't eat it. Well, the animals fed and they got their treats. It's starting to rain now. That's not good. Bring back the snow. Freeze the ground. Tired of this mud. Sally riding with me. Go down here and give the pigs and the chickens a Christmas treat. Got some vegetables and some fruit that was donated. Still like that. Yeah, little piglets even came out. See what I got. Here you go. Look at this. Even got some eggs. Those are those eggs that were out in the mud I washed off. Christmas dinner. Harold, you're a brat. But I do have something special for you. Found another apple. Here, Petunia. Got some eggs and some vegetables. Chicken's got tomatoes, a bell pepper, and some citrus. I'm not for sure they're going to eat these oranges, lemons, but I know the pigs don't like them. We'll see by tomorrow what happens. So I know they like those tomatoes though. Well, that's all we have for today. It's going to be dark here pretty soon. Thank you for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.